Today we're at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel and we're in the Alice in Wonderland themed room, and I'm going to show you everything in here today. Hey fellow explorers, my name is Chris, aka TDRExplorer, and I help you plan the perfect trip to Asia and its theme parks. Like I said, we're here in the Alice in Wonderland room that is inside the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. This room is about 49,000 yen per night. Some nights it's more expensive, some nights it's cheaper, it just kind of depends. So it's not exactly cheap, but these character rooms don't come cheap. I'm going to show you around the room today, and I can't wait. It is really, really cute in here. If you're a new explorer, make sure you give this video a like and also hit that subscribe button. And remember, when you're planning a trip to Tokyo Disney Resort, you can visit our website, TDRExplorer.com, where we have free and premium travel guides to help you plan the perfect trip. Here's the entrance into the room. I love this wallpaper. This wallpaper is really, really cute. And we have the vanity mirror where you can get ready. And there's not much here. That's my camera. And then right across we have the bathroom. And of course, we have the amenities that you get to take home with you. They're not Alice in Wonderland themed though, unfortunately, but the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel themed. We have a toothbrush, we have a little amenity kit, and we have shampoo and conditioner, and the little amenity kit inside. Just Q-tips and a hairband and shower cap and gauze, I guess. So here's the rest of the sink. And then over here we have the toilet room. And on here we have Tweedledum. That's really, really cute. And we have some artwork. Gorgeous. And we have the Japanese toilet that everyone knows and loves. And we have all the buttons here. There's no English on these buttons actually. So really quick tutorial for you. This one is probably pretty easy to figure out. That means stop, the red square. And then this one here, it looks like a little fountain or whatever. This is for your behind, and this is the bidet. So if you're a guy, you don't really want to press this one. Otherwise, you're going to be in for a surprise from the front. And then this is just other buttons. Like this is going to move the nozzle back and forward. And then this little dial here, this is for how strong the water is. And then up here, this is to flush the toilet actually. So the one on the left here, that is a big flush, and on the right is a small flush. And can we appreciate this really cute wallpaper in here? It's really nice. And there's a phone in here in case you need to make a phone call, you know. And right across is the shower room. And over here is Tweedledee. I love that. And yeah, so big, big shower room and bathtub. Now there's not a lot of theming in here, except for the Tweedledee. Everything else, this is just standard, like all the other rooms look like this, like regular rooms. But that's for you to sit on when you're having a shower. So you have the shower head here, and there's also one up top. So that's fantastic. And you have a window here to get some light in. Of course, it's frosted. And then yeah, the bathtub. There we go. Now we're going into the main part of the room. But first we have the closet here. lights turn on, which is nice. And there's extra pillows and stuff up there. And you get these cute little bags. Now these aren't Alice in Wonderland themed. These are just kind of for the new Fantasyland expansion at Disneyland. So that's pretty standard. And then over here, we got more gorgeous artwork. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That is so wonderful. I love that. And then we have the little bar here. And there's tea, green tea and coffee. And we got the ice bucket, kettle. Fancy. And then we have the bar down here. We got some nice complimentary water. In the entryway here, I love the carpet. It's really cute. And we have this big mirror right here. So you can check that your outfit is on point. Kind of like mine. I love this t-shirt. I got this from the Disney store here, and they only had one size. It's called free size, which just means one size fits all, sort of. This actually fits me perfectly. I was worried it wasn't going to fit, but it fits, and I love it. And then I got these shorts from Uniqlo here. And you can see we have 2 double beds, and there's also a trundle bed, which I'll show you as well. But just look how adorable this is. I love the white rabbit here on the TV stand. That is really adorable. That's some really, really fun detail. And there's even more detail. A safe. So we got drawers so you can put stuff. But look, there's carrots. There's carrots on here. I love that. And inside we got the pajamas. You don't get to keep the pajamas. You just get to wear these. But these are standard pajamas that come in all the regular rooms as well. And then just another drawer. How could you not love that? And right across, we have the beds. And it's the Queen of Hearts. Oh, and I love the lamps. This is just so good. I like the red and the white roses. Some of them are half painted. That is really fun. Then we have a nice little desk in the middle here, nice little nightstand. And one thing to note, they actually have USB charging here, so that's actually really cool. Now, I think the last time I stayed in the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel, they didn't have USB chargers, and that was a few years ago, so not sure when that went in, but that's been relatively recently. Because this hotel opened in 2008, when USB charging really wasn't that big of a thing. And we have to look at these runners. Like, look at this runner. That is so fun. I love it. And then down here too, on the beds. Like, how fun is that? And here's the trundle bed. If we can pull it out. Pulling out the trundle bed here. So there's actually room for 4 people. So one person's on that bed there. One person's on the bed here. And one person's on the trundle bed. And then right across, this also pulls out into a bed. I'm pretty sure. I'm not gonna do it because I don't feel like it. there you go. There's another one there. But we have more artwork up here, which is really cute. There's just, yeah, it's just really, really cute. I love all the themed rooms that they do here at Tokyo Disney. It's just always so fun. And then over here, we have the Mad Hatter's hat as a lampshade. I mean, how cool is that? And we have this table here. We set this up ourselves because we're geeks. So this doesn't actually come with the room. We just did that for aesthetic reasons. But we have the 2 chairs and the table. And then over here, there's just like a lot of empty space right here, so you can put all your luggage and stuff like that. Now we're gonna look outside the window. So here, the character rooms don't actually point towards the park. They point the opposite direction. So we're looking at the train station. So it's not a park view, unfortunately. So you have to choose between a park view or getting a character room. A little hard with the reflection here, but there's the fountain that's down over there too. And if you can look in the distance, you can actually see the sky tree. What I love about this room is it's a mixture of scenes from the film. So here is the White Rabbit's house, of course. Very cute, right? And then we have the picture frames that are from his house. And then over here is the Mad Hatter and of course the Tea Party, right? And then where the beds are, we have the Queen of Hearts, which makes sense. And then of course the carpet, which is the maze. I love how much detail was put into this. So if you're a fan of Alice in Wonderland, like this is so good. Ah. Can we just live here? This room is super cute and I love it so much. If you're an Alice in Wonderland fan, you have to stay here. This is just too much. My favorite are the beds. Like that's fantastic. If you made it all the way to the end, Explorers, make sure you leave a comment with the keyword Alice and let me know if you plan to stay here on your next trip to Tokyo Disneyland. And remember, we have free and premium travel guides up on our website at TDRExplorer.com. Now I'm going to step through the looking glass and enjoy the rest of my time here in the Alice in Wonderland room. All right, Explorers, until next time,